Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Disney account, sign up to Disney Guide 2025. So first of all, you have to open a tab on your web browser and search for Disney here, and after clicking on enter you will get into this Disney official website. And after coming here, you have to click on the login button here, and you just have to give your email here and 075 and click on continue. And you have to just give your first name and last name here, and uh, choose a password. I'll use a strong password for here. And you just have to select a birth date for you, and okay, month, day, year. So month should be 6, day should be 02, and year should be 1999. So and after that you have to click on agree and continue. So sorry, you're not eligible to use this service, you're not able to sign in to register, your information has not been corrected. So you will be good to go to sign up and all. And as does Disney has some currently restrictions to some countries to not to uh, s- get to sign up and all, and that's how you will sign up to Disney, and you're good to go to use their services and all. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.